Hello guys, how are you? Welcome to W Electronics YouTube channel. Guys, today we will unbox and review Fnirsi HS-01 smart soldering iron. It's a pocket soldering iron which is quick heat up and you can use in anywhere. Its power is up to 65 watt. So first have a look what we found inside the box. This is the Fnirsi HS-01 soldering iron box. With it the 5 soldering iron tips, which is HS-01B2 and BC2, BC3, ILS and BC3. This is the 5 soldering iron tips. It's a replaceable soldering iron tips, so we can use which one we like, and which one is work related you can use that one. So these are the 5 soldering iron tips. 1 PD charging cable type C, which is silicone charging cable, and it's very flexible. It's not a normal cable, it's a flexible charging cable. Very good. As you can see, this cable 165 watt generation 3 charger power adapter, which has the USB option and PD option. Both of options are available. So this power adapter looking very nice, and its weight also too much. 1 mini stand for soldering iron with the tip cleaning tool, and this adapter cable, DC adapter to type C cable. If you have 15 volt or 20 volt power adapter, so you can use this cable with it. So this is all coming with this soldering iron. It's not too expensive, it's cheap. If you like to buy, I will give you link in description. You can buy through that link. So let's unbox this one and check what we have in the box of HS-01. So let's unbox and check what have inside of this Fnirsi HS-01. So at the top we found one manual, Fnirsi Intelligent Electric Soldering Iron User Manual HS-01. It's in multi-language: English, Dutch, Spanish, Russian, too much language available here, so you can read which language you like. After that we have won the QC Pass certificate by Fnirsi. This is the cap of soldering iron. This is the tip for soldering iron, and it's our mini pocket soldering iron. So this is inside the box of this Fnirsi. So for installing the tip of the soldering iron, you need to open this cap. After put this in the position, after you can close tight this easily. So your soldering pen is ready, and its size also very good. So it's a grip, hand grip for soldering purpose. It's there is 2 button for the selection, and this is the mini LCD screen. It's a type C interface for powering this soldering iron on. So let's the power on of this soldering iron and check the all function. For powering on, you need to connect your type C cable in adapter and your soldering iron. So I use this adapter for powering up this soldering iron. As you can see, when I insert this type C plug, this screen on Fnirsi logo, and it's showing me press this button for starting the function. If you want to go, let's remove this. So this is the control panel of this small soldering pan. this soldering iron not now on. If you like to on, you need to just press this button and it's showing you the temperature increasing. It's very quick. As per Fnirsi, it will quick within 8 seconds, and you can increase and decrease the temperature from this button for decrease the temperature and this button for increase the temperature. As you can see, you can set temperature from 80 to 420 degrees Celsius. You can change the temperature unit as well. This screen now showing its temperature is 360 degrees Celsius, 20 volt coming with the power adapter, and set is 420. So we can reduce the temperature. As per Fnirsi, the recommended temperature in between 3 to 380 degrees Celsius. 300 to 380 degrees Celsius. So for now we already set in 300 degrees Celsius. So like this you can adjust and increase and decrease the temperature of this intelligent smart soldering iron. For going and changing the setting, before the start soldering iron, you need to insert your power cable. It's showing you Fnirsi logo. After, you need to press and hold the both buttons. By pressing both buttons together, you will see the interface of this soldering iron. You can see the brightness function, calibrate function, temperature unit selection, sleep time and sleep temperature, child lock, language, handheld, voltage selection, and this all function available. Let's explore the all function one by one. For going into any option, you need to press and hold this button after you entering that menu, so you can increase and decrease the brightness of this LCD screen. For coming out, you need to press and hold. You will come out from the menu. For calibrate, you need to press and hold. After it's going, it's in 0 degree now. If calibration you want to calibrate, you can adjust that calibration. For temperature unit, you can select the centigrade and Fahrenheit, which one you like, you can select that unit. For sleep time, you can set from 1 to 20 minutes. Sleep temperature, you can select from 80 to 200 degrees Celsius. For child lock, you can open and close child lock in case nobody can use the soldering iron. For language, there is 2 language, English and Chinese. You can select any language by your choice. For handheld, this menu for left hand selection and right hand selection. If you are left handy, you can select left hand, and if you are righty, so you can select the right hand. Voltage selection, you can select the 9 volt, 12 volt, 15 volt, 20 volt manually. If you have 20 volt power adapter, you will select 20 volt. If you don't have 20 volt power adapter, you can select from 9 to 20 volt, any selection which one you like, you can select manually. So this is the all interface of this smart soldering iron. Hope you understand it. For going exit, you need to press and hold this button and left button, and you will coming exit. After if you like to use your soldering iron, you need to press this button. Your soldering iron will on. You can select the temperature. My set temperature is, I select for example 300 degrees Celsius. It's taking up to 8 seconds only to become full heat up. So as you can see, the soldering iron heat up very quickly. It's heat up. If you like to solder anything, you can solder easily with the help of this. And its power up to 65 watt. So no matter, you can use this soldering iron for small and big, any purpose. So like this. And soldering iron also very good working. Tip is very good of this soldering iron, and you can easily solder anything, whatever you like. You can solder anything with the help of this soldering iron. let's check the. I am going to solder one wire with the help of this PCB, and you can see very good soldering point. Let's solder one more wire. So as you can see, it's very good and good soldering point. And in normal PCB also, as you can see here, very good soldering. Its flow and catching the solder very well. Let's make one big bubble, soldering bubble. So as you can see, it's a very nice soldering, a very shiny soldering with the help of this smart, intelligent pen soldering pen. So for powering up, you need to just remove the power adapter and it's going to power off. Or you can set the minimum temperature 80 degrees Celsius when powering off. And this is the cap of the soldering iron, but make sure your iron it's cold when you are going to close this cap. Otherwise, its body is aluminium alloy body. You can also close without any problem, and you can keep this one in your pocket for emergency use. You can use it with the power bank and with power adapter, your mobile charger, smartphone mobile charger. It's a multi-purpose soldering iron with a small stand. If you like this Fnirsi HS-01 smart intelligent soldering iron, kindly like this video, share with your friends, and keep supporting guys. See you next video. Take care. Bye. If you like to buy link in description below. You can buy through that link. Have a good day. Take care. Bye.